Artificial intelligence just created more millionaires in 2024 than any technology in human history. While everyone debates whether AI will take jobs, smart entrepreneurs are using AI to build generational wealth from their laptops. Today, I'm revealing 5 AI-powered methods that ordinary people are using to generate extraordinary wealth online. We're talking about real businesses generating 10,000 to 1 million euros monthly, built with AI tools that cost less than a Netflix subscription. Here's exactly what we'll cover. Method 1. YouTube ad revenue empires. How AI creators are generating 50,000 euros plus monthly with channels they build in weeks, not years. Method 2. Online course creation. How entrepreneurs are building 5 million euro education businesses using AI to create courses in hours instead of months. Method 3. Social media content monetization. How AI-powered content creators are earning 100,000 euros plus annually across platforms without showing their faces. Method 4. Digital product sales. How AI is enabling single-person businesses to generate 500,000 euros plus yearly selling digital products they create in days. Method 5. AI-powered freelancing empire. How anyone can start earning 100 euros plus per hour offering AI-enhanced services without technical skills or experience. These aren't future possibilities. These are current realities. People are building these businesses right now, and I'll show you exactly how they're doing it. Why AI changes everything. Before AI, building wealth online required massive teams, technical skills, or significant capital. Content creation took months. Software development required computer science degrees. Course creation needed extensive expertise in specialized fields. AI eliminated these barriers overnight. Today, you can outproduce entire teams from just 5 years ago with AI tools. Here's the data that proves it. Content creation speed. AI can generate a year's worth of social media content in 4 hours. Before AI, this required 200 plus hours of human work. Course development time. AI reduces course creation from 6 months to 6 hours. A single entrepreneur can now launch multiple courses monthly. Software development. No-code AI platforms enable non-programmers to build sophisticated software applications in days, not years. Language barriers. AI translation and localization tools allow instant global market access. One product can serve 200 plus countries simultaneously. Scalability factor. Traditional businesses scale linearly. More customers require more staff. AI businesses scale exponentially. The same tools serve 1 customer or 1 million customers. This is why 2024 became the year of the AI millionaire. The tools finally became powerful enough and accessible enough for ordinary people to build extraordinary businesses. Let's dive into each method with real examples, actual tools, and projected income potential. Method 1. YouTube ad revenue empire with AI. YouTube pays creators 1 to 5 euros per 1,000 views through the partner program. Channels with 10 million monthly views generate 50,000 euros plus monthly in ad revenue alone. Before AI, building such channels took years and massive content creation efforts. AI changed everything. You can now build a YouTube empire generating 75,000 euros plus monthly using AI tools. Your channel never needs to show your face, yet can reach 15 million views monthly. Your AI-powered system. Step 1. Content strategy with AI. You use ChatGPT and Claude to analyze trending topics, generate video scripts, and plan content calendars 3 months in advance. You identify high search volume topics in finance, productivity, and technology niches. Step 2. Script generation at scale. AI generates 50-plus video scripts weekly for you. Each script is optimized for retention, includes hook formulas, and incorporates trending keywords. This process takes 2 hours versus 20 hours manually. Step 3. Video creation. Without cameras using Synthesia and Runway AI, you create professional videos featuring AI avatars. No filming, no editing experience required. Tools like Luma AI generate B-roll footage automatically. Step 4. Voice and audio. 11 Labs creates consistent, professional narration in multiple languages for you. One script becomes videos in English, Spanish, French, and German, quadrupling your audience reach. Step 5. Thumbnail and title. Optimization. Midjourney and DALLE generate click-worthy thumbnails tested across demographics. AI analyzes competitor performance and suggests optimal titles for your content. The numbers you can achieve. This system lets you produce 120 videos monthly versus 4 to 8 manually, serve 12 languages instead of just one, and create each video in 15 minutes instead of 8+ hours. You're looking at 75,000 euros monthly ad revenue potential with 200% annual growth. The real power comes from scaling to 8 different channels across various niches, each generating 20,000 to 75,000 euros monthly for a total potential of 400,000 plus euros monthly. Method 2. Online course creation with AI. The online education market reached 350 billion euros in 2024. Top course creators like Pat Flynn and Amy Porterfield generate 10+ million euros annually. But course creation traditionally required months of development time. AI compressed this timeline to hours. You can build a 5 million euro online education business in 18 months using AI. Your AI course empire. Step 1. Market research and course planning. You use AI to analyze competitor courses, identify content gaps, and validate demand. Tools like ChatGPT analyze thousands of reviews to find what students actually want. Step 2. Curriculum development at scale. AI generates comprehensive course outlines, lesson plans, and learning objectives for you. A complete 40-hour course curriculum is created in 4 hours versus 40+ hours manually. Step 3. Content creation automation. AI writes video scripts, creates presentation slides, generates worksheets, and develops assessments. Tools like Gamma and Beautiful.ai. I create professional quality course materials automatically. Step 4. Video production. Without expertise, using Synthesia and DID, you create engaging video lessons with AI instructors. No filming equipment, no video editing skills required. Step 5. Personalization and localization. AI customizes course content for different skill levels and translates materials into 15+ languages. One course becomes 15 global products simultaneously. The numbers you can achieve. You can develop courses in 1 week instead of 6 months, offer them in 15 languages instead of 1, and launch 24 courses annually versus the typical 2 to 4. At 497 euros per course with 2,000+ monthly students, you're looking at 240,000 euros plus monthly revenue potential. The advanced play is licensing your AI course creation system to other entrepreneurs for 10,000 euros monthly each, adding another 500,000 plus euros annually. Method 3. Social media content monetization with AI. Social media creators earn through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, product sales, and platform revenue sharing. Top creators generate 500,000 euros plus annually, but traditional content creation requires constant presence and creativity. AI enables faceless content empires. You can build a 200,000 euro plus annual income across social platforms without ever appearing on camera. Your AI content factory. Step 1. Multi-platform content strategy. AI analyzes trending content across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Twitter for you. One core message becomes 50+ platform-specific pieces of content. Step 2. Automated content generation using ChatGPT and Claude. You generate 500+ posts monthly. AI creates captions, hashtags, calls to action, and engagement strategies tailored to each platform's algorithm. Step 3. Visual content creation. Midjourney and DALLE generate thousands of engaging images, infographics, and visual quotes for you. Tools like Canva's AI features automate design variations. Step 4. Video content at scale. Runway AI and Luma AI create engaging video content for you. Your productivity tips videos use AI-generated scenes, voiceovers, and editing. No human appearance required. Step 5. Engagement and community management. AI chatbots handle comments, DMs, and community engagement 24/7 for you. Automated systems nurture leads and convert followers into customers. Your revenue streams. The money comes from multiple sources working together. Brand sponsorships bring in €8,000 plus monthly. Affiliate commissions add another €12,000 plus. Your digital products generate €15,000 plus. Platform revenue sharing contributes €5,000 plus. And consulting services deliver €20,000 plus monthly. That's €60,000 plus total monthly income potential. The real scalability comes from operating 12 different content personalities across various niches, each generating €15,000 to €60,000 monthly. Method 4. Digital product sales with AI. Digital products offer infinite scalability. Create once, sell forever. The global digital products market reached €200 billion in 2024. Before AI, creating professional digital products required specialized skills in design, writing, or programming. AI democratized digital product creation. You can generate €500,000 plus annually selling AI-created digital products. Your AI product empire. Step 1. Market demand analysis. AI analyzes millions of search queries, competitor products, and customer reviews to identify profitable product opportunities for you. You discover gaps in business templates, productivity tools, and educational resources. Step 2. Product development at scale using ChatGPT and Claude. You create comprehensive business templates, guides, and resources. AI generates 100-page business plans, marketing strategies, and implementation guides in hours. Step 3. Design and visual creation. Midjourney and DALL-E create professional graphics, covers, and visual assets for you. Tools like Gamma generate complete presentation templates and infographics automatically. Step 4. Software and app development. No-code platforms like Bubble, combined with AI assistants, enable you to create productivity apps and business tools without programming knowledge. Step 5. Global distribution. AI translates your products into multiple languages and adapts content for different markets. One product becomes 20-plus localized versions automatically. Product categories and revenue potential. Your business templates and guides can generate €25,000 plus monthly. Productivity and planning tools another €30,000 plus. Educational resources €20,000 plus. Software applications €15,000 plus. And print-on-demand products €10,000 plus for a total monthly revenue potential of €100,000 plus. The compound effect means your products continue selling years after creation, building a library of 500 plus products, generating recurring passive income. Method 5. AI-powered freelancing empire. Freelancing is the fastest way to turn skills into income, but traditional freelancing requires years to build expertise. AI changed everything. You can now offer professional-level services in weeks, not years. The global freelancing market reached €400 billion in 2024. AI-enhanced freelancers charge €100 to €500 per hour for services that used to require specialized teams. You can build a €500,000 plus annual freelancing business using AI tools that cost less than €50 monthly. Your AI-enhanced service empire. Step 1. Choose your AI-enhanced service. Pick services that AI amplifies dramatically. Content writing becomes content strategy with AI research and optimization. Graphic design becomes brand identity with AI-generated concepts and variations. Social media management becomes growth strategy with AI analytics and content creation. Business consulting becomes data-driven strategy with AI market analysis. Step 2. Master your AI toolkit. You become 10 times more efficient with the right tools. ChatGPT and Claude handle research, writing, and strategy development. Midjourney and DALL-E create professional visuals in minutes. Canva's AI features automate design workflows. Analytics. AI tools provide insights that used to require expensive software. Step 3. Premium positioning and pricing. You're not selling basic services, you're selling AI-enhanced solutions. Instead of "I'll write your blog posts," you offer, "I'll create data-driven content strategies that increase engagement by 300% using AI analytics." Instead of "I'll design your logo," you provide, "I'll develop complete brand identities with AI-generated concepts and market testing." Step 4. Scaling beyond hours. AI lets you serve multiple clients simultaneously. You can manage 20 social media accounts with AI automation, write content for 10 companies using AI assistants, or provide consulting to dozens of businesses with AI-generated insights and reports. Step 5. Building recurring revenue. Transform one-time projects into ongoing relationships. Monthly content creation, continuous social media management, regular strategy updates, and AI-powered analytics reporting create predictable income streams. The income potential. Your AI-enhanced services command premium rates because you deliver results that used to require entire teams. Content strategy services generate 200 to 500 euros per hour. AI-powered social media management brings 5,000 to 15,000 euros per client monthly. Business consulting with AI insights commands 300 to 800 euros per hour. Design and branding services deliver 150 to 400 euros per hour. You can build a client base of 20 to 50 recurring clients, each paying 2,000 to 10,000 euros monthly, for total revenue of 40,000 to 500,000 euros monthly. The beauty is starting immediately with just your laptop and AI subscriptions. The AI wealth revolution is happening now. While others debate the future, you have the blueprint to build it. These 5 methods aren't theories. They're proven systems creating millionaires today. The tools exist, the opportunities are real, and the window is wide open. If this opened your eyes to what's possible, follow the Behavioral Wealth Lab for cutting-edge strategies that turn psychology and technology into real wealth. Comment below with which method caught your attention. I read every single one. We're just getting started. So much more is coming. Your AI wealth empire starts with your next decision.